Welcome to Stan's World. And today I'm making a little project for my mill, cranking the table up and down. You know, anybody who runs a milling machine knows cranking the table up and down. If you do that a lot, it's a lot of work. I'm making one of these little gizmos that I can put in my power drill and run it up and down. Now this one here worked good, but I didn't make it long enough. I don't have much to hold on to, plus I'm going to cut me a hex on here on the next one. We'll cut it down. But that's a pretty handy little thing to have, you know. Use a drill, or electric drill, whatever you got. Let that table up and down. Anyway, let's get busy making this thing. We'll see how it turns out. All right, let me check it out. See how it fits. There's the table on the mill. Let's see how it fits. All right, that'll work. Now we turn this down, put a hex on it, put your drill on it, let it up and down, baby. That'd be nice. I like that. That's just a medium priced DeWalt drill there, nothing special. Just a medium priced drill. And let's see how this thing works. Let's see if it'll lift that table up and down. It's on there nice. Well, it's going down. It's not fully charged either. See if it goes up. It's sure keeps the hell out of cranking it. I don't know what y'all think. That is the speed you want to go. I like that. A lot less work for me. There you go. Freddy Cat made. $50, I'll make you one just like it. Now I'm gonna cut a hex on it. It works like that, but it'll be better with a hex. There it is. Works really good. That's just a DeWalt 18 volt, nothing special, you know. But it does it, right? I tell you what, that's a time saver right there, buddy. You know, any tool maker machine is stood in front of a milling machine for 8 to 12 hours a day, running up and down every time you need to put a drill bit in there, do something like that. That right there is a lifesaver. I'm gonna make one tomorrow out of aluminum. I think aluminum will be better. I can make it faster and sell it for less. And I think it'll hold up just as good as steel. But that's what we did. Though Protocheck did real good on that. I could have made it faster, but I'm out of coolant at the moment, and I had to take little cuts and run it slow to keep from burning up my tool. You ever done something so stupid? When I first started running this mill today, this program, I'd turn it on, and the part would wear it and break the tool. And I got aggravated. I went through 3 damn end mills doing that shit. Turning it on, go there, and it'd hit the part, and it would break, and I'd go change the feed rate, and I'd go do this. I'd go, why does it keep breaking on my damn toes, you know? And the end mill was the 1/8 of an inch, so I wasn't really looking at it. But on the final cut, I put a brand new one in there, and I said, damn it, this one's got a cut. And I started it up, and I hit the go button, and I looked at him, and I said, the end mill's not turning. The damn machine's in neutral. And I hit the damn button, and I said, how stupid can I be to break 3 end mills and not notice that the end mill wasn't turning? Wasn't nothing wrong with my feed rate and shit. It was my dumb ass didn't turn the spindle. Well, it was running, but it wasn't spinning. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned. We got some cool things coming, and the track here is going to be a big asset to what we can do here. And if you need one of these, shout at me. God bless. Have a wonderful weekend.